and let's add some fonts. Okay, go to PubSpec YAML. Let's add the Google fonts. Google underscore fonts. Let's give the pub get. So dependencies are installing. We installed the Google fonts. So I have just made some changes. So before that, let's remove the height of that outer gradient container. So now the overflow has gone. Now the changes I have made is I have added a column. Inside that I have added a center widget. Inside the center widget, a chord widget is added, and then I have added the shape to that chord. I have used rounded rectangle border and gave the border radius as 100, and inside that chord I have used a container, and inside that container we have stack, and inside that stack I have added the image with height 100 and width 100. Okay,